Hello, uh, my name is Camelia Dea Brillianti, and today I would like to present a nutritional snack product called VitaBoost Nutrition Bar. This product is designed for students and professionals who live busy lives and often struggle to maintain healthy eating habits. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, many people are constantly rushing between classes, work, and daily responsibilities. Because of this, healthy eating is often neglected. Instead of proper meals, many people rely on sugary snack or fast food to quickly boost their energy. While this may work temporarily, it often leads to fatigue and poor concentration later in the day. The main problem is the lack of nutrition and convenient snack option. Uh, Most snacks available today are high in sugar and low in essential nutrition. These snacks cause a quick spike in energy followed by an energy crash that can negatively affect productivity, focus, and overall health. This creates a clear need for a snack is that both healthy and practical. To address this problem, we introduce a VitaBoost nutrition bar. VitaBoost is a balanced, nutritious, and portable snack designed to support your energy needs. It is easy to consume anywhere, anytime, making it ideal for people with limited time but high activity levels. The primary target market for VitaBoost includes students and professionals, especially those who are active and health conscious. These individuals need a reliable source of energy that support focus and productivity without compromising their health. VitaBoost Nutrition Bar covers several important nutrition features. First, high in protein, which helps maintain energy and supports muscle function. Second, it contains high fiber, which improves digestion and helps consumer feel full longer. Third, VitaBoost is low in sugar, helping to prevent sudden energy loss. Finally, it includes essential vitamin and mineral that support overall daily nutrition. Because of these factors, VitaBoost provides several benefits for consumers. It helps them stay for longer, supports better focus and productivity, and offers a convenient snack that can be easily carried in a paper pocket. VitaBoost makes healthy snacking simple and accessible. Compared to typical snack bars, VitaBoost is a healthier option with a balanced nutrition profile. It is designed not only for taste but also for long-term health benefits. Additionally, VitaBoost is offered at an affordable price, making it suitable for regular consumption by students and professionals. Call to action. In conclusion, VitaBoost Nutrition Bar is a smart solution for modern lifestyle. We encourage smarter snacking choices and invite you to consider partner partnering with technologies are trying the product to support healthier daily habits. Thank you for your time and attention. We will be happy to answer any question.